Welcome to BQool Advertising. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Budget Manager to better control your ad spend and maximize performance. We'll start by creating a budget group, allowing you to organize campaigns within the same store and marketplace in one place, saving time while helping allocate more budget to top-performing campaigns automatically. To create a budgeting group, go to Budget Manager on the left panel, then click Add Budgeting Group. Enter the budgeting group name, then click anywhere on the screen. Select a store from the drop-down menu. Select your store from the list. Enter a total daily budget for the budgeting group, then click anywhere to apply it. In this example, we will enter 300. Use the Search By filter to find campaigns to add. You can search by campaign, ASIN, or SKU. For example, select the Search by Campaign option. Enter the sample campaign number and click Search. You can also use the Ad Type or Campaign Status filters to refine your search. From the filtered results, select the campaigns to add. Select the first campaign. Select the campaigns you want to add one by one until everything is included. Click Save to create the budgeting group. Under Budgeting Group table, see that the budgeting group has been created. Click the budgeting group name. You will be directed to the Campaigns table where you can view the campaigns within the selected budgeting group. And that's it. That's how you set up a budgeting group. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you'd like to try it yourself, start your 30-day free trial today.